carpet out.
Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's Roller16 bringing you guys another video. Right now we're on the way to pick up the red seats. If you haven't checked out the unboxing video, make sure you do that. Really excited. It doesn't sound very exciting. Yeah, anyways, I'm really excited. Looking forward to this project. It's not as simple as just installing the seats, at least not for me. I got to redo the carpet. I got little things to do, vacuum and all that stuff to install the seats. So it's a whole project for me. Either way, let's go pick up the seats. We're in my girl's truck. She's gonna hook me up with the ride, and let's go pick them up. There she is. So let's go.
But yeah, we got the seats reupholstered. I was very close to installing the seats myself, the seat covers, and you know, just taking some upholstery courses online and just getting hands-on with it and doing it myself, because it was really difficult for me to find a good upholstery shop. But luckily I overheard a co-worker's conversation at work. Her husband does upholstery, and he actually hooked it up and he did a really good job, and I'll be doing the rest of my upholstery with him. Anyways, let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys the seats, then we're gonna pull the carpet out, we're gonna re-dye it black, and then install it with the new seats. So that's the project for today. We're running out of daylight, so before we go into the garage and get started, let's go ahead and check out the seats. Got a little bit of sunlight in here so you guys can kind of see it. But yeah, everything came out really good. All the stitching was really nice and tight, especially on the bottoms. The bottoms came out really good. The tops will tighten up with heat and time in the sun. But the upholstery guy definitely, his name's David, hooked it up. Definitely told me that everything's genuine leather and that the quality on these is A1. So I'll definitely be doing my rear seats with them. So I'm actually gonna be pulling out the rear seats if possible today while I'm at it. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, everything's looking good. See if I can show you guys from the side. So everything fit perfectly. Even like the zippers, perfect. So yeah, these are the seats. You can see them in detail, and I'll show them when they're installed, obviously, but this is before I install them, so you can get a good look at them. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this installed, and yeah, let's go. All right, so we're gonna get this 14mm bolt off. Should be 4 of them. There's one down here. There we go. All right, that's it. The seat should come out. Oh shit, we gotta unhook the harness. One. All right, same thing. And the seat's ready to come out. No harnesses on the passenger side. That's it. Seats are out. Next, take the carpet out so we can clean it up. All right, my people, so the seats are out. We're running out of daylight, if you guys can't tell. Let me see if you guys can see. But running out of daylight, I usually work on a car after work, so we'll work through the night if we need to and get this thing done. But let me show you guys what it's looking like right now. Turn the camera around. All right, so I added this candy red or metallic red stripe down at the bottom. Did that over the weekend when I had a little bit of extra time. Kind of Nismo style. But yeah, here are the old seats. And here is the interior. Again, we're gonna start with the two front seats. I'm gonna take out the rear seats to send them to get done. Being transparent with you guys. And then door panels are gonna get done too. So yeah, let's rip out the carpet, but yeah, got some cleaning up to do. Look at this. All right, y'all, so back to work. Let's go. All right, so to rip out the carpet, I'm gonna try and remember this correctly. This panel off. Let's pull out these floor mats. Look at these original 1994 floor mats. This needs to come out. Center console. More things down here. There's one. There's two. There it goes. And these pop out. Then we got a couple pins right in here too. So pop these out. Oh, this one right here on the floor. Oh, I almost forgot the seat belts. I keep forgetting about the seat belts. Looks like a 17 millimeter. Seat belt. Make sure you put this back in. There's some stuff under there and under here. So let me see if I can get this out, man. All right, so there's literally one piece of Velcro behind the dash that is, you have to take out the, you have to lift up the dash to get through, which is back here. So I'm just gonna cut it. There it goes. So now this whole side will pull out. So that's one part. Take out the other side. That's all of it. It's all coming out. All right, so that's carpet out. All right, my people, so carpet is out. Now we're gonna vacuum and clean up as much as we can. Then we're gonna do a quick carpet spray to make the carpet, you know, blacker and look more presentable. Then we'll install the seats. So yeah, let me show y'all what it's looking like right now. Here's the carpet in a rough shape. So yeah, we're gonna make this look decent. This will clean up just fine. But if you want to, you can get new carpet, but I'm gonna try and use this for now. estamos, hermano.
Like an outlet.
All right, so it's coming out decent. This is before the carpet dye. And then lastly, I'm gonna get this right here. What is it, hand sew this real quick and it'll look just fine, so. Yeah, smells good. Keep it up. There we go. All right, driver's side. All right, my people, so it's late. Just got done installing everything and taking a couple pieces out that are gonna get reupholstered. But as you can tell, I'm sitting in the red seats. This is what it's looking like. I took out the headliner. Hopefully you guys can see the headliner's out because I'm gonna be redoing that. Took out the visors, gonna be redoing the visors. And yeah, the seats make a world of difference. I just took it for the mandatory test drive. Whenever you install a new part, you got to test drive no matter the hour. So yeah, we're at about midnight and I should be sleeping and I work tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and again, I can't sleep without testing out my new parts. So really happy with the leather. It smells great. Hold on, we got an ambulance. Anyways, smells like a brand new car. The carpet came out really good. So I'm gonna hop out and show you guys and then I'll go ahead and close out the video. So let's go. All right, so this is what the seats look like. We're at the 7-Eleven. Got some bright lights. But yeah. That's what it looks like from the outside. That's what it looks like with the little red accent. And then yeah. And then that's 55% tint, supposedly 55% XPEL ceramic, and then 70% on the windshield. So it's not crystal clear like it was before. All right, my peoples, hope you guys liked the video. Again, I'm gonna throw some extra clips tomorrow during the day. So I'll just throw them in the video after editing. But, oh shit, I'm trying to light.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate if you support and subscribe or hit the like button or leave a comment, you know, whether you guys like it or if you don't like the seats or whatever. I just appreciate any feedback, any communication going back and forth. But I got a lot more modifications coming up. I mean, again, I'm just getting started. And I'm leading up into the motor swap. So I haven't forgotten, we're gonna do the MZR 2.5 swap, and then we're gonna get the Turbo MX3 up and running, and I'm gonna make a ton of videos with the MX3. The Turbo MX3, which again is my main squeeze, but right now I got momentum on this car and I don't wanna lose it. So hopefully you guys can understand. Believe me, I miss my Turbo MX3, but I got momentum on this car. I daily drive it, and I'm really enjoying the modifications I'm doing, so hopefully you guys are too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is IllRoller16 checking out. Salute.
Thank you, I appreciate it, sir.